This video is not sponsored by CodePath. I just wanted to give my 2 cents of what I learned and what I got out of it. Everything you need to know about CodePath, you'll find on codepath.org. As someone that has actually went through the program, what you see is what you get. So now we can just quickly transition into the pros of why you would want to consider CodePath, the realistic expectations you can have from a cohort that you're participating in. The first pro of the program is that you actually get to interact with people that are learning the same thing at the same time. One thing that tutorial hell YouTube hasn't really solved for is a community behind you while you're learning the skills that you want to learn in the tech sector. And CodePath as an organization has actually solved this problem really well. Any instruction of the course that you're taking, there's 2 hours of instruction. The first hour is lecture style, and the second hour is going to be you paired with other students to work on a lab. You get to interact with people. You get to help each other arrive at a conclusion, at a solution for the lab. B, and then C, and most importantly, you keep repeating that. Not only are you learning the material, you're also learning how to collaborate with people. And one of the most underrated skills that a lot of people talk about when it comes to tech is the fact that there is not enough soft skills, people being able to communicate with each other. And if you want to improve that skill of being able to communicate with each other, definitely take the CodePath course. Tip 2, on the final week of the course, you get to present a final project if you're in any of the development classes. And if it's in the technical interview prep classes, all you're really doing is just practicing data structures and algorithms. You also have mock interviews towards the end of your course for the technical interview prep. When it comes to the web development, I got to present my project in front of 5 to 6 people. Now, CodePath is very explicit. It's not a work experience that they're providing us. But then at the same time, the experience that you get, not only working with people, benefit 1, you also get the exposure of presenting a project that you've built throughout the course of the last few weeks of the course that you're taking. And that's of paramount importance because ask any intern at any company, they'll tell you that at the end of their internship, they presented a project, a feature, whatever it is that they built in front of people. And not only do you get to work with people, benefit 1, benefit 2, you get to work on a project, you get to communicate how that project is impactful. And on top of that, if your project is actually impactful, you can use that as a way to showcase to your LinkedIn connections, to your professional connections, the skills that you have acquired. The third and most important benefit is the Emerging Engineers Summit that they organize in coalition with their partner companies such as Amazon, NBC Universal, and Walt Disney, I believe, as well. I have not yet attended the Engineers Summit because it happens in fall. I'm not gonna lie, I have heard mixed things about the Emerging Engineers Summit, but at the same time, simply the fact that they have organized this event so that graduates of CodePath have access to employers that are in dire need of tech workers. I'm currently actually taking the AI engineering course, and so far it's been pretty great, especially the perk of this particular course, having an agreement with Anthropic to provide all of us Claude code for free to use for the duration of our course. So if you're interested in CodePath, look into it and check it out. See you on the next one.